Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the powerful time hole ability in Blade Ball. This S-tier ability creates a special area around you, boosting your speed and slowing down opponents. It even temporarily stops the ball, giving you a huge advantage. You can unlock this game-changing skill by collecting 3 unique items from the New Year Spins event. To begin your quest for Time Hole, navigate to the New Year Spins raffle within the game's event menu. Your first step is to land on a New Year's chest, which has a 3% chance of appearing. Successfully acquiring this chest will then advance you to the Epic Raffle, where the truly rare components await. Once in the Epic Raffle, your goal is to collect 3 specific items: the New Year's Axe, New Year's Slasher, and Infinity. Infinity has a 5% chance, the Slasher 19%, and the Axe 42%. If you already possess the Infinity item, you'll only need to secure the other 2 to unlock Time Hole. With Time Hole unlocked, you can activate it to instantly gain 4 seconds of immunity and a significant speed boost. Any enemies caught in your bubble will be heavily slowed, and their abilities temporarily disabled. Remember, you can upgrade Time Hole once to further increase its duration and reduce its cooldown, making you an even more formidable player.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.